Student, in today video lecture I am going to explain about network topology. Students, topology means the pattern of interconnection of node in a network is called the topology, or in the simple way we can say that in topology defines the layout of the network, how the computer are connected in the network, and there are many factors that defines the topology. First, caste. So students, we have to choose a particular or appropriate topology so that its cost is not very high. Flexibility. Topology should be easily expandable and easily remove any nodes. And reliability means network should be very reliable. If one node is not working, then there is not effect on the other computer. So this is the reliability option. And point to point link. Point to point link means if two computers are connected to each others, then every computer has sender and the receiving channels. So this type of topology is known as point to point link. And there are following types of topology. First, star topology, bus topology, ring or circular topology, tree topology, graph topology, and the mesh topology. The student, first first of all I am going to explain star topology. What is the meaning of the star topology? Student, in this topology all computers are connected to main computer, and main computer is known as server, and other computers are known as workstation or client. And advantage of star topology: easy of the service, and one device per connections means every computer is connected directly to the server. And centralized controls. Students, you are looking the pictures. Okay, in all computers are connected with the servers, means all computer are controlling centrally. And simple access protocols, and its protocols of star topology is very simple. Implementation protocols and the other protocols is very simple. Disadvantage of star topology: long cable length. Students, you are already knowing in star topology every computer is directly connected with the servers. That's why it needs a long cable length. Difficult to expand. The addition of the new node to the star network involves a connection all the way to the central nodes. Means if you want to add a new computer, so that means you have to directly connect with the servers. Central node dependency. If central computer is not working, that means all network will be disabled. So these are the disadvantage. Next is bus topology. The student, in the bus topology all computers are connected with the single wire, and that single wire is known as trunk line. And this is the server, and these are the workstation and the peripheral devices. This is the terminators. And advantage of bus topology. The student, in the bus topology short cable length and simple wiring layouts. So you are seeing the picture. So this nodes is directly connected with this wire. That means this topology needs a less cable length. Resilient architecture. Its architecture is in the linear form. Easy to extend. In the bus topology we can easily add new nodes. Disadvantage of linear topology: Fault diagnosis is difficult. Suppose that one computer is not working, so that means we have to check all computer to find out which computer is not working. Fault isolation is difficult. The students in the star topology, a defective node can easily be isolated from the network by removing its connection at the center. But in this topology, the isolation of that node is tough. Repeated configurations. Suppose that if we are transferring the signal from long distance, and already know every channel has its capacity, how much distance we can transfer the information. That's why we have to use repeaters in the bus topology for long distance transmissions. Node must be intelligent, and next disadvantage of in the bus topology, every node must be intelligent, because every node has to know when and how the information will be sent in the bus topology, because one node is sending signal and other nodes also propagating signal is coming, and at the same time other node is sending, both signal will be collides, or in this way that signal will be lost. So these are the disadvantages of bus topology. Ring topology. The student, in this topology, all computers are connected in the circular forms like this picture. Means every nodes has connected at least two devices. For example, A is connected B, and A is also connected with the D. If any nodes is not working, that means all computer network will be disabled. So this is the main disadvantage of the ring topology. And some advantage of ring topology: short cable length, it needs very less length cables, no wiring closest space required, suitable for optical fibers, because optical fiber is very costly. So if we are using more cable, that means we have to invest more money. And disadvantage: node failure cause network failure. Means if one node is not working in this type of topology, all computer will not work. Difficult to diagnose faults. If one node is not working, so that means we have to check all computer which computer is not working, and then we can isolate that computer. Network reconfiguration is difficult. Suppose that it is not possible to shut down a small section of the ring while keeping the majority of its working normally. Tree topology. So students, this is the tree topology, and in the tree topology, one main server is connected with the other subserver, and that subserver is also connected with the clients. And this structure is like a tree roots. That's why this topology is known as tree topology. And next is graph topology. In this topology, nodes are connected together in the arbitrary fashion. A link may or may not connect two or more nodes. There may be multiple links also. It is not necessary that all nodes are connected, but if a path can be established in two nodes via one or more links, so it is a connected graph. And last one is mesh topology. So student, in this topology, each node is connected to more than one node to provide and the alternative routes. For example, this nodes is connected to multiple nodes.